Good morning, class 5. I am Anil Bhagat, your science teacher from Modern International School, ISWA. Welcome to our e-learning program. Today, in this video lecture, we will discuss about chapter 6, that is safety and first aid. And today, in this video lecture, we will revise the topic safety from fire. So, as we know, fire mainly occurs in the kitchen or due to short circuits nowadays or due to carelessness of human beings. So these are the three main reasons because of which fire is caused. Because of short circuit, that is electric wiring, because of the gas leak in the kitchen, because of the kerosene, and because of the human carelessness. These are the reasons because of which fire is caused. So today we are going to discuss some precautions or some steps. If we take those steps or if we maintain those precautions, then we are able to, if you maintain these steps, if you maintain the precautions, then we are able to control the fire, or we are able to stop the accidents caused because of fire. So first of all, whenever you are in the kitchen, be very careful. Do not wear synthetic cloths, always wear cotton cloths, because synthetic cloths catch fire very easily. So this is the very first precaution. The second precaution is to take the pans or any hot object. Use proper gloves or cloth to catch those type of hot utensils. Next is the electric gadgets we use in our day-to-day life. If there is any problem, get it repaired as early as possible. Don't use it without repair. If you find that in any wire there is a crack in the plastic layer, repair it or take it to the person who repair it as early as possible. Next, never put kerosene stove on the floor, because if by mistake it will hit by your leg or by any means, then what will happen? Kerosene will spill on the floor and maybe cause of fire. Next, if the oil in the utensil you are cooking something, if at that time it will catch fire, first of all cover it by something to smoother the fire, and then throw some baking powder or baking soda to maintain the fire, to control the fire. Never use water, because if you use water, then oil is lighter than water and it will float on the surface of water and fire will spread. Next thing is, never wear nylon or synthetic cloths when you are going to enjoy firecrackers, because as we know, sometimes the direction of firecrackers change because of the pressure of the gas which is produced. So if it turns suddenly towards you, and if you are wearing synthetic cloths, it will catch fire easily and burn easily. But if you are wearing cotton cloths, then it will take time and you get time to control the fire. So these are the some steps by which you can make yourself from the fire, and you can also prevent accidents caused because of fire. So class, I hope you are able to understand the safety steps from fire. So be careful whenever you are using fire. So class, have a nice day. Be safe at home. Thank you.